Wait, friends. You don't improve your English by watching videos. You don't improve English by reading books. So, you improve your English by practicing. Yes, practice. The only way to speak English fluently is practicing. If you are become a perfect in English before speak, so, this video is only for you, friends. Hello, everyone. I am Sravan Bedia, and today I want to talk about a very important thing. And welcome again, my channel English with Bedia. So, I hope you people doing well, fit, and fine, and great. So, in this video, I am going to talk about the only way to become a fluent in English, to speak English fluently, because in today's world so many one they can't able to speak English. Okay, before want to become the perfect grammar, perfect any different things. So today I want to share the secret one, the only rule to become a fluent in English, to speak English fluently. So let's try. That is the only rule, that is practice. Okay, so friends, if we see there is a lot of peoples and those who are learning English, they are just practicing, not just they are only reading the video, reading any English. Here the lot of learners are there, they are just speaking, not practicing English. They are just watching videos and learn the grammar basics and how we can use it, but they don't want to practice, they don't practice. Because of that their English is not improving. Yes, I'm right, because this have I am also doing, but now I'm practice, and I have spoke so many times. I spoke every day, I spoke every day to become a fluent speaker, and I spoke and practice. Then now I become a perfect, because practice makes a man perfect. If you are really want to speak English, then you should practice every day, because this is the only way to become fluent in English. Yes, because so many in today's many peoples are many learners are they just reading the books and think that I will improve my English, and I will, because if you want to become fluent, so speaking is matter when you are trying to speak. So today I will give you the only way to speak English fluently is there is so many. Okay, so how to practice English at home, you should try to know, then you can everyday practice and become fluent in English. Because there so many people they can't able to speak in a public places. So let's try to know how we can practice at home. Okay, so practicing is very important. Okay, so first of all you should try to speak English in your surrounding, whatever you speak in a front of mirror, you practice every day for speaking a small sentences. Not, I'm not saying that you speak so many words and so many, you don't know any words, you don't know any more sentences, then you practice at home just small sentences, the small practicing. Okay, this makes your confidence to speak to English very fluently. This make, because I realized that, because in my journey I also spoke and I practice more, because when I learn I don't worry about the grammar, I don't learn any grammar rules, because you can see my grammatical mistakes also so many, but I always try to become a confident, okay, in English. So that's why I'm always practice and practice. Don't try to improve my English in a very advanced in grammar. Okay, you just try to use the mirror practice and speaking English regularly, only just 20 minutes to 10 minutes you can practice English. So this makes your English better. Okay, so these things help you to speak English fluently in your home. Practice every day because practicing matters in everywhere. Okay. Don't wait for the perfect time that I will first improve my grammar. First I learn the grammar all, then I speak. So this is never be done. Then you they never become the fluent English speaker. So first try to improve your English, try to speak English anywhere, everywhere. Try it and practice alone. Okay, alone you practice, because here no need to any partner. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Set all. Bye bye.